Calculate the approximate value of integral minus 3 to 3 x power 4 dx using first method trapezoidal rule and second method Simpson's rule by dividing minus 3 comma 3 into 6 equal parts. Solution: if you want to solve trapezoidal or Simpson rule, the common process is, first of all, write down the given data, that is integral minus 3 to 3 x power 4 dx, and these are the limits, negative value to positive value, and equal parts n is equal to 6. This is n equal parts, n intervals. Now assume lower limit is minus 3, that is a, and upper limit is b, that is b. Now find h value. H is the width of the ordinates, that is equal to, h is equal to, formula is b minus a by n. H is equal to b, that is 3, minus a, that is negative 3, so negative 3 by n. N is equal to 6, which is equal to 3, minus into minus plus 3 by 3, that is equal to 6 by 6. We know that 6 by 6 is 1, therefore h is equal to 1. See here, this x power 4 we can write f of x also. F of x is equal to x power 4 and h is equal to 1, n is equal to 6, a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to 3. Now this is the common process to solve Simpson and trapezoidal. First of all, write the table, that is x, and f of x is equal to x power 4. First of all, now here we have to use the calc. Now press on button. Now shift mod. Now number 4 is radiant. Press 4 radiant. Now mod button. Observe the number 7 table. Press number 7. Here f of x is equal to, what is f of x? Here x to the power of 4. So alpha x to the power 4, which is equal to, start means the lower limit is minus 3, so it is minus 3 is equal to, now end means upper limit is pi, that is 3 equal button. Step means h value is 1, so press 1 is equal to, this is the table. Here see, observe here x is equal to minus 3, f of x is equal to 81. So x is equal to minus 3, f of x is equal to 81. The next x is equal to minus 2, it is 16. Minus 2 and it is 16. The next one is 1, it is 1. The next, press the, now 4, it is 0. Second one also 0. The next 1, 1, 1, 1. The next one 2, it is 16. The last one, it is 3, x value is 3, f of x value is 81, it is 3, this is 81. See here, we can write, this is y0, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, y4, y5, y6. These are the common variables. Now find trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule formula is h by 2 whole into y0 plus yn. Here yn value is y6 plus, this is the general formula, 2 into sum of remaining all, y1 plus y2 plus so on plus y of n minus 1. This is the general formula, but here formula is h by 2 whole into y0 plus yn, last value is y6, so it is y6 plus 2 into sum of remaining all, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. we know that h value is equal to 1 by 2 whole into y naught value is 81 plus y6, this is also 81 plus 2 into remaining all, this is 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16. Here we can use calci is that is equal to, first of all, 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2 whole into 81 plus 81 plus 81 close bracket plus 2 into 16 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 1 close. See, first one 16, second one 0 means 0, the next 16 1. So close bracket and again close the bracket is equal to, that is 115. This is the trapezoidal rule, TR rule formula. Now next here we have Simpson rule. Simpson rule is also same table. For the Simpson rule we have the same table. Simpson's rule. The table formula is h by 3 y naught plus the last value is y6 plus 4 into, the Simpson rule is 4 into sum of odd plus 2 into sum of even ordinates, that is equal to, this is the formula, h by 3 whole into y naught plus y6 plus 4 into sum of odd ordinates. This is the odd one, this is the odd one, this is the odd one. So y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into even. Here even is y2 and y4. So y2 2 into y2 plus y4 whole into, which is equal to h value is 1 by 3 whole into y naught value is 81 plus 81, y naught y6 both are 81 plus 4 into odd one y1 value is 16 plus y3 value is 0, this is 0 plus the next y5 value is 16, it is 16 plus 2 into y2 value is 1 plus y4 value also 1. Now here also again use the calci, that is equal to 1 by 3 whole into 81 plus 81 close the bracket plus 4 into 16 plus 0 plus 16 plus 0 plus 16 close the bracket plus 2 into 1 plus 1 close bracket, which is equal to 98, is the solution.